Today I will teach for class 11. Before that, we are studying topic Boolean algebra. In this, today we will study rules of AND operator, truth table of AND operator, expressions of AND operator. Let us see one by one. Sys, and, or, and, not. These are the logical operator and used in the only Boolean algebra. So its rule is totally, completely different from the normal algebra. I have told you that symbols of and, or, and, not logical operator. Symbol is same as arithmetical operator of normal algebra, plus, dot, like that, but their function is not same as the normal algebra. Their function is completely different. So first of all, I would like to tell you the rules of AND operator, truth table and expressions. Okay, now let us see the rule of AND operator. 0 dot 0, 0 dot 1, 1 dot 1 and 1 dot 0. I have told you dot is the symbol of AND operator. For two binary bits, OR operator is used like this. This is the input. This is to first number, second, first, second, first, second, first, second. 0 dot 0 becomes 0, 0 dot 1 becomes 0, 1 dot 1 becomes 1 and 1 dot 0 becomes 0. Here AND is a logical operator and it is defined like this. It means it has four first, second, third and fourth. It gives result 1 if both operands are 1. Here this is first operand and this is second operand. It means first number, in simple way we can say first number and second number. In the case of AND operator, the result will be 1 if both operands are 1, otherwise it gives result 0. Means no output. It means here there is some output, it gives output, there is no output, and it is also no output, and it is also no output. Alright, now let us see second truth table of AND operator. What is the truth table? Truth table is a table that contains the combination of all possible values with their result. You can say the truth table is a table that contains the list of all possible combination of input values and their corresponding output means result. For two variable for two input, the truth table of AND gate will be like this: 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. To make a truth table, we need to follow the rules of AND operator. It will give you 0 0 1. This is a truth table for two input. A and B represents input, Y represents output. If you we have to make truth table for three variable. Then how will you make it? For three variable it would be like a, b, c, y. This is the input and this is the output. Y, this is the output. Now we need to list the combination of three bit 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. It will be 8 rows from 0 to 7. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. So it is complete. Rule says that if all operands are 1, then it will give the output 1, otherwise 0. Simply follow this rule. Those rows in which all outputs are 0, all values are 0, look that. Here in this row all values are 0, so its output will be 1. In all other cases it will be 0. This, this is the truth table for three variable, we can say three binary bits for AND operator. I hope it is clear for you. Now let us see the expression of AND operator. Expression of AND operator means how will you write the expression? If we have two binary variables or two logical variables, A and B, the equivalent expression will be y is equal to A dot B. Alright, now let us see for AND OR operator. Now let us see the rules of OR operator. In Boolean algebra, rules for OR operator is defined as 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. Remember, this symbol indicates OR operator. It means OR operator is indicated by the plus. So I am here saying plus plus plus, but internally you will have to understand it is a logical OR operator. By seeing this, the conclusion is that if any one variable, if any one logical statement is true, then the combined result of the OR operator is true. Here 1 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1 plus 0, this is false, this is true. Result is true. This is false, this is true. Result is true. This is false, false, result is false. Means the result will be false if both operands or both logical operators are false. Otherwise, the result will be true. If any one statement or any one variable or any one logical operand is true, then it will yield the output true. Alright? Now let us see the truth table of OR operator. Again I am revising for you. Truth table is a table that contains the all possible combination of input variables with their output. Alright? Now I am making a truth table for two input. Here A and B are the two input. Y is the corresponding output column. 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1. The output of this the output of y can be obtained from the rule of OR operator. Now let us see the expression of OR operator. Since symbol of OR operator is plus, so consider any two logical variables. We have suppose a and b. Then for a and b, the logical expression can be written as y is equal to a plus b. Now let us see the NOT operator. Students, now we will study the rules of NOT operator. NOT operator is operator that can be applied only on the single variable or single logical statement or single bit. There is no need to use more than one operand, one variable, one logical statement. This is only one operator in the Boolean algebra that requires only one operand. Alright? The symbol of NOT operator is complement, bar. We say it bar. Alright? Its rule says that 0 bar is equal to 1, 1 bar is equal to 0. It means an operand on which it is applied, this operator reverses its value. If we applied it on 0, it reverses its value 1. If we applied it on 1, it reverses its value 0. It always gives the reverse result. Alright? Now let us see the truth table of the NOT operator. Since it requires only one operand, one bit, so here only one input a and corresponding output y. When a is equal to 0, then output will be 1. When a is equal to 1, then its output will be 0. Alright? Now let us see the logical expression of AND operator. For one variable, its expression can be written as y is equal to a bar. Students, for today I am going to finish my class. In my next video, I will teach you basic logic gates. Thank you.